Oh my gosh, this is a shortcut.
Yeah, we're here already, diba?
You're one of my crush.
Ah! No crush!
I don't understand you.
Chris Lawrence at anak nila ni Katrina Halili na si Katie, masayang nagbonding. Kakauwi ni Chris mula sa kanyang concert sa Japan, at agad na naglaan ng oras para sa kanyang anak. Gumawa ng artworks ang mga ito, at ipinakita ni Katie sa kanyang tatay ang galing nito sa pagpainting. Talaga nga namang napaka-hands-on dad si Chris.
You like your new bag?
Yeah, it's prettier.
Are you gonna put money in it?
Huh?
Are you gonna put money in it?
Money in it, huh?
Are you gonna put money in it?
I don't understand you. Papa, look. Oh my gosh, this is a shortcut.
Yeah, we're here already, diba?
You're one of my crush.
Ah! No crush!
How old na dapat ako magiging crush?
25. Pwede na sa 25.
Which one do you want? This one or this one?
This one.
Pick one for Papa.
This yours?
For me?
Yeah.
Hello Kitty, me? Pwede bang pang lalaki? Hindi mo naman
No!
pang lalaki. Yung bear na lang kay Papa.
Big bear.
I want green.
This three colors. Akala po yan.
First here. Here, yours first. Up. Perfect. Ah, look at that. Well, now do it here. And then oh. Pag-drip mo na lang sa taas.